Hello, my digital planning friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over the Digital Notepad Template Kit. This is the actual kit that I learned how to make my notepads for one of my kinds of the prayer journals is what I use this for. Anyway, this is Michelle, and so when you're on these this course, if you ever need to get back to this page, you always hit the dashboard button. And when you're on these pages here, you make sure you hit the start button right here. If you touch up here, it's not going to open up, but if you open right here. Okay, so this is Michelle. She's going to introduce herself. She does allow you to use what you create for commercial use, so you can create anything with the this planner or not this notepad kit, sorry, and you can create it as long as you do not just sell the actual kit as is. You need to make some changes and things like that. So here's our terms and use. She goes over digital planning 101, like what is a digital planner, what's a digital sticker, what do your customers need? Again, so this is if you've never used a digital planner before, she shows you how to do all this. Some digital planning basics. Okay, so then we jump into the templates. She has a landscape or a portrait orientation, so either sideways or up and down. There's a 5-subject notebook or a 31-day notebook. She does it in light and dark mode, and you can have a black top band, a crease, coils, or stack papers. She does it all on these. These are really, really cool kits. Okay, so she has Apple Keynote, PowerPoint, and Affinity Publisher. So we go right into the Apple Keynote instructions, template layouts, customizing the templates. She goes in very detail on how to use her templates. As you can see right here, they come blank, and then you just need to design them and color them however you want and add papers and things like that. So she's got the Apple Keynote 5-subject template and 31-day template. It comes in, again, landscape and portrait mode. So then it goes into the PowerPoint directions. Again, here is your downloads, the Affinity directions and downloads. And then she goes into some frequently asked questions, creating 31 unique pages, customizing the tabs and hyperlinks in Keynote, customizing tabs in Affinity, and creating a template section. So that is all of that. Then you jump into your final prep, flattening the layers. That's so important. Hyperlinking, and save as a PDF and check the links. Very, very, very important. So that was all done in Apple Keynote. And then, of course, you're going to have the same in PowerPoint and Affinity Publisher. This is in case you, your customer, if you want to sell this, in case your customers don't know how to download the products, this course right here teaches you how to do that. It's a PDF that you would give your customers so that they can learn how to download the notepad if they don't know how to do this. And this is a separate course that Alejandra created, not Michelle, and you can buy that for $39 at the time of this recording. And then she also has a digital planner hub where you can go and check things out, and you can also send your own customers there if you choose, and it's a free thing for anybody to use. And that was Michelle that has that. And then what's next? If you want to learn how to make, or here is we'll start with this part. How to, she's got a digital planner template sticker pack where the stickers are already made. You just change the colors, which is really, really nice. And that's the deluxe kit. She also has a course where you can learn how to make digital stickers, and that's how I learned how to make digital stickers. She's got a great course. There's tons and tons and tons of information in there. And it's done in Apple Keynote, Canva. You need the Pro version, PicMonkey, and Affinity Publisher. That's how you can make the stickers. And she has a quick video of all that's included. Really neat, really neat video to watch to see all that's included. She also does the color changing stickers again, where I'll learn how to make my color changing stickers. Excuse me. And she has the digital memory book template kit, which is a video that we'll have also as well to show you all about. And what's next? Digital planners. Oh, yes. Learning how to make digital planners. She has some links for different places that she learned how to make digital planners. The PDF Glow Up is the first one. Then there's also the Digital Planner Template Kit, where again, this is another one of those where you just go in and change the colors. They have, I believe they have portrait and landscape versions. You can create it in Apple Keynote, Affinity Publisher, and Adobe InDesign. Then we also have the Extraordinary Digital Planner Design course. This is Jamie Ballard's course. She creates the landscape planners. They're very, very detailed. They're very neat. This particular course, you learn how to make the planner from scratch. So it's a very, very detailed course. And then here's the same style. This is also Jamie's, but this is the template where you can just change the colors and make it your own style. And that is that. So then again, you have the quick links over on the side if you want to jump to any of these. And again, always hit the dashboard and you go back to the top. And that is this course. It's very, very, let me see, hang on one second. Okay, so here is the download. We have a portrait and landscape. So then you would go in and open up and you can choose either dark mode or light mode. So we're going to do light mode. And then we're going to do, we have the portrait with the band, the coils, the crease, or the stack of papers. Let's go ahead and open this one here in Keynote. So we're doing the crease portrait. And you have your terms of use. Then here is your first page. Your second page, see there's the crease, like it's flipped up. Then we have the dividers and then blank pages. And you can change any and all of this. You can change the background, you can change the tab colors, you can add your website, and just do whatever you want to do, which I think is just really, really cool. She has several different designs in that. And that is that template. That is just one of them. Like you said, I showed you there are several different designs that you can choose from between light mode and dark mode, portrait, landscape, lots and lots and lots in this course. So if that's something you're interested in, I'm going to leave the link below so you can check that out, the sales page for that. And if you have any questions, leave them below. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.